My pretty no best. Now one year, I enter.
Been waiting
Sorry.
Oh, thank you.
Now can I come enter? How you doing now? You don't take anything.
No, I've been waiting for you now.
No worry. Order any way you want. I come here.
Thank
you. I come now attend to this message. Yeah.
All right.
Thank
you. I don't jam better guys today under NC1. Wait. Hello babe. How far now? No, I beg, this one will be joke matter. That bobo I test I just meet now. Yes, I don't need date with her. At least I order anything I want. I don't know if you can drink. Okay. You know as a papa be now, I beg. Tell me, eh? Okay, as well. Okay.
You can wish.
Thank you. Waiter! Where's the waiter? Please, I need Azul. Azul. Thank you very much. Azul. Yes, thank you.
That money for surplus.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay for now. Yeah, for now. Yeah. Sure. Thank you. How did you take this one now? Eh? Yeah? Now, wow. I'm not for myself and for you. Oh, gosh. Okay.
I have no best. No. Yeah!
You? Look at this. Oh, this is Azul.
Then who give you?
Join me.
Who give you?
I ordered it.
Oh, you ordered this?
Yes.
Wow.
You said I should order whatever I want.
Azul.
Yes, you can join me. Sit late.
Thank you.
Let's enjoy ourselves.
I'm coming. Hello.
Hey.
Okay. Alright.
You gotta trust man.
Because I'm not enjoy my own. They go a bit. Because
you see what your mouth can talk. You see.
This drink is this drink will go well.
I need the money.
Please. Wait, my man is coming. Okay.
I don't have time.
My man is coming.
Look around, everybody has gone.
Oh my god. Okay. This guy is taking long. Where is he now? He don't enter. Please hold on just a second. Nobody's not even connecting. Please,
I'm coming. We are going
please,
now.
Where's the rest? I want to use the restroom.
No, don't worry.
Jesus. Now my guy carry me come here. Not say no be carry myself come. And I check around. Maybe I feel see him.
Mama, wait. I'm already giving you.
Please just hold on for me. Just 1 minute. Let me just do my mind.
Wait me before you check out, please.
Okay, how much is it? How much is it?
3.5.
3.5. 3.5. Jesus Christ, I don't put myself today. Okay, please, I'm coming. Let me just search around.
Oh, Mama, please. It's how you order this thing, you don't check around it. But now
my guy carry me come, bro.
I don't confirm it. This is my job. This is my work. What the from me? Then you don't understand the happy. I'm going to give you a
Please, it's okay, it's okay. You don't need to be voice some out to anybody, I beg. Hey, God, oh. I should have even asked before taking this drink.
Wait till this
I
one.
want
Who is your manager? Can I speak to your manager?
No, don't take the manager.
One man picking. One man picking, this is something. So much one man picking cry. I know the last comment of a fool. I know the last comment of a fool to say I know before. Now what people want me one man picking they cry, but God not go allow us to cry that type of cry. You know understand? One